morning, my name's James Hughes, Chief Market Analyst here at Scope Markets, and this is your daily briefing on Friday, the 4th of September. US stock futures fell on Thursday night, building on the downside momentum from the regular trading session as big tech was primed for another steep decline. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dropped 109 points, following on from the 800 points that they slipped the day before. Shares of major tech companies fell broadly in after-hours trading. Apple slid 3%, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Alphabet and Microsoft all dropped at least 1%. The Dow slid more than 800 points or 2.8% during the cash session for its biggest one-day decline since June. The S&P 500 plunged 3.5% and the Nasdaq dropped 5%. Thursday's declines also wiped out the major averages gains for the week and knocked both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq off record levels. As a sector, tech has had its worst day since March, falling 5.8%. Apple contributed a big portion of those losses, falling 8% itself. Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Alphabet and Microsoft also closed Thursday's session sharply lower. Those steep declines in tech shares came after the space drove the lion's share of the broader market's comeback over the last few weeks. Since March 23rd, the S&P 500 tech sector is up about 70%. For the year, tech has rallied more than 30%. However, some experts have raised concerns about the heavy concentration of gains in just a few stocks, as it could make the broader market susceptible to a pullback if those names were ever in trouble. Traders will be focusing on the release of the US jobs report later today. That's going to be the big focus. Economists polled by Dow Jones expect the US economy to have added more than 1 million jobs last month. The expectations are for 1.4 million to be added to the non-farm payroll figure when released later this afternoon. It goes on from yesterday's initial jobless claims, which came in slightly better than expected, but also from Wednesday's ADP payroll that came in much weaker than expected. The mixed figures mean that today's number holds a lot of importance for the market and how it closes out the week, especially as we enter into the long Labor Day holiday.